Is quick mode not working on your Canon camera? If autofocus isn't activating or the option is grayed out, it can prevent you from capturing the perfect shot. This is often due to incompatible settings or shooting modes that disable it. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the quick mode autofocus. Let's get it working right now. Before doing anything else, make sure to remove and reinsert the battery. Remove and reinsert the memory card. If your issue persists, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check your autofocus mode. Look at the top of your camera body. Here you can see a wheeler. It's called a mode dialer. So turn your mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Now check whether it works or not. If not, solution 2. Check AF method. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it, then press the set button. Here you will get the 4 options: AF tracking, Flexi Zone Single, Flexi Zone Multi, and Quick Mode. Now select the Flexi Zone Single or Flexi Zone Multi mode. After selecting, press the set button to confirm it. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera. Now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. You need to go to the 4th wrench icon. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while, and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope the solutions help. Thanks for watching.